Social Media Marketing for Small Businesses. Unlock Your Full Potential. Presented by Murphy Publication. Introduction. The power of social media for small businesses. Social media is a game changer for small businesses, offering a low-cost, high-reward way to connect with your target audience. It allows you to build relationships, create brand awareness, and drive sales all from the palm of your hand. With over 4.9 billion active social media users globally, it has become an essential tool for businesses of any size, but especially for small businesses looking to grow without massive marketing budgets. In this book, we will explore how to unlock the full potential of social media marketing for your small business. By the end, you'll be equipped with strategies, tools, and techniques to help your business thrive in today's competitive digital landscape. Chapter 1. Understanding the basics of social media marketing. Social media marketing refers to the use of social media platforms to promote your products or services, build your brand, and engage with your audience. Whether it's through organic posts, paid advertising, or influencer partnerships, social media marketing can help your business grow. Why social media matters for small businesses. Cost-effective marketing. Many platforms are free to use, with low-cost advertising options. Direct communication. Engage with your customers directly, receiving feedback and building relationships. Targeted advertising. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram offer highly specific targeting based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Understanding your goals is essential before diving into social media. These might include brand awareness, customer engagement, driving traffic to your website, or increasing sales. Common social media goals. Brand awareness. Make your business more recognizable. Lead generation. Attract potential customers. Customer engagement. Create a loyal community of followers. Sales. Drive conversions from social media to your e-commerce store. Chapter 2. Crafting your social media strategy. A successful social media marketing campaign begins with a solid strategy. Here's how to build one. 1. Set SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, I want more followers, aim for I want to increase my Instagram followers by 15% in 3 months. 2. Identify your audience. Understand who your target audience is, their age, gender, interests, challenges, and where they spend their time online. Create a customer persona to guide your efforts. 3. Audit your existing social media presence. Evaluate where your business stands on social media today. Analyze what's working, what's not, and where you can improve. 4. Competitive analysis. Check out what your competitors are doing on social media. What type of content works for them? Use their success and failures as learning opportunities. 5. Create a content calendar. Planning content ahead of time ensures you're consistently posting and engaging with your audience. A calendar allows you to align your posts with business promotions, holidays, or key dates. Chapter 3. Choosing the right platforms. It's important to focus your efforts on the platforms that will give you the highest return for your time and money. Each social media platform has unique strengths, and not all of them will be a perfect fit for your business. Facebook. With over 2.8 billion monthly users, Facebook is excellent for reaching a broad audience. It's particularly effective for local businesses, thanks to its local search features and community groups. Instagram. A visually driven platform. Instagram is ideal for businesses with products or services that can be showcased through photos and videos. It's popular with younger audiences and offers powerful tools like stories and reels. Twitter. Twitter is a platform for real-time communication. It's best suited for businesses that want to engage in conversations, provide customer support, or share industry news. LinkedIn. For B2B companies, LinkedIn is the platform of choice. It's where professionals network, making it ideal for businesses offering professional services, recruiting, or targeting decision makers. TikTok. TikTok's short-form video content appeals primarily to Gen Z and millennials. It's a great platform for businesses that can create entertaining, creative, and engaging video content. Chapter 4. Creating engaging content. Content is at the heart of your social media marketing efforts. To capture attention and keep your audience engaged, you need to consistently produce high-quality, relevant content. Content types: text posts, share updates, insights, and company news. Images: behind-the-scenes photos, product shots, or infographics. Videos: tutorials, product demos, or customer testimonials. Stories: short-lived, Casual content that appears for 24 hours. Live streams. Engage in real time with your audience through Q&As or product launches. The power of storytelling. Stability humanizes your brand and creates emotional connections with your audience. Share your brand's journey, customer success stories, or personal experiences. User-generated content. UGC. Encourage your customers to create content about your products or services. UGC acts as powerful social proof, showing potential customers that others love your brand. Chapter 5. Building a strong brand presence. Your social media accounts should reflect a cohesive, professional brand image. This includes everything from your profile picture and bio to the tone and voice of your posts. Visual branding. Consistency. Use the same logo, colors, and fonts across all platforms. Professional imagery. High-quality images build trust and credibility. Branded hashtags. Create a unique hashtag for your business and encourage customers to use it. Voice and tone. Your social media voice should reflect your brand's personality. Whether you're formal, fun, or friendly, maintain consistency in how you communicate with your audience. Chapter 6. Growing your audience organically. Organic growth on social media takes time but can build a highly engaged and loyal community. Here's how to grow your audience without spending on ads. 1. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments and messages promptly. People appreciate businesses that take the time to engage with their customers. 2. Leverage hashtags. Use relevant, popular hashtags to increase the visibility of your posts. Be careful not to overuse them. Stick to a few relevant ones. 3. Host giveaways and contests. Giveaways are an excellent way to attract new followers and increase engagement. Encourage users to tag friends or share your content for a chance to win. 4. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with influencers in your industry to reach their followers. Micro-influencers, those with smaller but highly engaged audiences, can be especially effective for small businesses. Chapter 7. Leveraging paid advertising. Paid advertising on social media platforms can provide a quick and measurable way to reach a larger audience. Here's how to make the most of it. Types of social media ads. Facebook and Instagram ads. These platforms offer various ad formats, including photo, video, carousel, and stories ads. Twitter ads. Twitter's advertising focuses on tweet promotion and trend sponsorship. LinkedIn ads. Ideal for B2B businesses. LinkedIn allows you to target ads based on job title, industry, and company size. Targeting options. Paid ads allow you to target audiences based on demographics, age, gender, location, interests, specific hobbies or interests, behavior, purchase history, app usage. By using these filters, you ensure your ads are reaching the right audience, increasing your chances of converting views into leads or sales. Chapter 8. Analyzing and optimizing your results. Regularly reviewing and analyzing your social media efforts is crucial to improving performance. Most platforms provide built-in analytics tools. Key metrics to track: reach, how many people saw your content; engagement, likes, comments, shares, and saves; click-through rate (CTR), how often people clicked on your links; conversion rate, the percentage of people who took a desired action, for example, made a purchase. By studying these metrics, you can identify what's working and adjust your strategy accordingly. Chapter 9. Social media tools for small businesses. There are numerous tools designed to help you manage your social media marketing more effectively. Here are a few that can make a big difference. Hootsuite. Schedule posts and monitor multiple accounts from one dashboard. Canva. Create professional quality graphics without needing a design background. Buffer. Manage your social media accounts and analyze your results. Later. Plan and schedule Instagram posts visually. Google Analytics. Track traffic and conversions from your social media platforms. Conclusion. Unlocking your full potential. Social media marketing offers enormous potential for small businesses to connect with their customers, build brand loyalty, and drive sales. By implementing the strategies outlined in this book, crafting a clear strategy, choosing the right platforms, creating engaging content, and analyzing your results, you can unlock the full potential of social media for your business. Take advantage of the tools and platforms available, stay authentic, and engage with your audience. Social media marketing isn't just about selling, it's about building relationships and creating value for your customers. Unlock your potential and watch your small business grow. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video book helpful, please give us a thumbs up And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning and growing.